Welcome to Innovin Foods. Today I'm making chicken potato cheese ball, crispy outside, soft inside, and filled with melted cheese. This is the perfect snack for tea time parties or iftar. Let's start the recipe. Heat 1 tablespoon oil in a pan. Add half cup chicken pieces, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, half teaspoon red chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon cumin, and half teaspoon garam masala. Mix well and cook for 2 minutes. Add 1 cup water. Let it boil. Then cover and cook for 5 to 7 minutes. Cook until water dries out. Add 1 tablespoon curd. And half teaspoon chili flakes. Mix well. Now shred the cooked chicken. Add 1 tablespoon capsicum. One tablespoon onion and 1 green chili. Mix well. Let the mixture cool down completely. Add 2 boiled mashed potatoes and coriander leaves. Mix everything well. Take small portion of the mixture. Pull the mixture before shaping to avoid breaking. Place cheese in the center and shape into balls. Seal the cheese properly inside. Preparing flour slurry. Add 1/4 cup flour in a bowl. Add half cup water. Mix well. Use thick slurry for better coating. Dip each ball into slurry and coat with breadcrumbs. Fry in medium heated oil until golden brown and crispy. Cheese-filled snacks are loved for their gooey texture. Potato helps bind the mixture perfectly. Chicken and cheese is a popular combination worldwide. Crispy coated snacks are perfect for parties and gatherings. Fry on medium heat for even cooking. Chicken is rich in protein and nutrients. Potatoes provide energy and texture. Homemade snacks are more hygienic. Adding vegetables increases nutritional value. Your crispy chicken potato cheese balls are ready. Serve hot with ketchup or your favorite dip. Try this recipe and share your feedback in the comments. Follow Innovin Foods for more delicious snack recipes.